Hello, my name is Mike. I'm the owner of BestRugPrices.com, and today I'm doing a video to help promote our website and to talk a little bit about our floor and decor blog. And just recently, we posted an article about Smartstrand carpet. We call it our Smartstrand carpet cleaning guide, but it's really an article that is everything about Smartstrand carpet. It's just a wealth of information. It talks about not only the cleaning guide, but it talks about information in the warranty. It talks about what Smartstrand carpet is made of. It just talks about everything related to Smartstrand carpet. So for those of you that don't know about Smartstrand, I'm going to switch screens real quick, and I'm just going to go over to the Mohawk website. Mohawk is one of the leading manufacturers of floor covering in the country and world, and they are the ones that make Smartstrand carpet. And so if you are in the market for carpet and you've been shopping at your local store, odds are that a sales rep has probably shown you some Mohawk Smartstrand carpet because it's one of the most popular brands and types of carpet in the marketplace. It's incredibly durable. It's great if you have pets in the home. It's just a wonderful carpet, and they have products really at every price point. So again, I'm going to put the link to our article in the description box below. But our site is bestrugprices.com, and what you're looking at here is our floor and decor blog. And our site and our blog is all about floor covering, as you can imagine by the name. We do product reviews, we have cleaning and maintenance tips, we have information on strategies on how to get you the best price. We have budgeting articles. We just have a wealth of information on our site about floor covering. And again, the purpose of this video is to talk about our most recent blog article, the Smartstrand Carpet Cleaning Guide. In that article, we talk about everything related to Smartstrand. What it's made of, why it's so durable, the warranty information, how to clean it, pretty much everything you could possibly imagine. So again, I'm going to put the link in the description box below, and certainly we'd love for you to come visit our site, read this article, and leave a comment or two and let us know what you think. Thanks.